Do you want to discover how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording any videos, or making any videos? My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I'd love to invite you to a completely free training where I'm going to show you exactly how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and how you can become a wildly successful YouTuber without recording any videos, making any videos, or ever showing your face. And look, I know this sounds crazy, but there are literally thousands of channels doing this. And on this free training, I'm going to show you the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to get a ton of views from these videos and build a business around these kind of YouTube channels where you never even have to show your face. This is how I got over 1 million subscribers on this channel right here, over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. And look, while I can't guarantee that you'll get 1 million subscribers, get millions of views, or anything like that, what I can guarantee is that you're going to discover on this free training the exact methods that I use, the exact tactic within my YouTube business. So I can't wait to see you at the free training. Just go somewhere around this ad, and then you can simply put in your email and attend the completely free training. I'll see you there.